Hello viewers. At the start of the series, we told you that Footcare application is a cloud-based Android application which is basically meant to ease the shopping experience of customers and as well as the shopkeepers. So when we say cloud based, what is the what do we mean by cloud based? What is use of cloud based? So cloud based basically means that whenever your data is completely in sync with cloud and it is easily available to you in your phone and on your fingertips. Also, if there is like any power cut at your store, then what we do in such scenario? Does your billing stops? No. Footcar application does not let your billing stop. You can install the Footcar application in your employee's phone and in their smartphone, and your employees can carry out the billing by their phone. So we'll be seeing a few more aspects of the application in this video. So this is a mobile POS system which I'll be explaining in this video. You can see all your reports, all the product related information. You can see your orders in this video. You will see like how to continue your billing in case of power cuts. You'll come to know that how you can see your reports on your just on your fingertips, how you can invite your customers by sharing your shop link. So we'll be covering few more aspects of this wonderful application in this video. So this is the app. So this is navigator option present at the top left corner of the screen. We'll click on we have come across this navigator option all the time in the previous video of the series. So to start with, we can simply go and check any order history. We can see the settlement report. We can see the sales report. Also, as a shop owner, I can see the what home delivery order has come in my store. If one has not seen the home delivery orders, I can simply on a button click I can simply see that okay, there was an order placed at the store and no one has noticed it. So such sort of activity you can carry out by the mobile POS application. Now there is invite customers segment. So invite customer segment gives you liberty to invite your customer by sharing your shop link. You can simply, now that we have seen that how we can invite our customers to our store, we'll see that how we can upload a product on a button click. We can do it in the same way as we did while we were using the Footcar POS Android application. Also by phone we can see that how we can continue with the billing. We'll simply click on barcode and there's a camera button. We'll simply click on it. So once we have clicked on camera button, so this is how a barcode is scanned. If there are multiple entry onto a same barcode, this is what comes onto your screen. You'll select the product. If you want to make any changes, if you want to make any updates, you can do at this point. We'll go back. There's also an option to do the billing. We'll click on billing. We can skip the number. We can skip writing the customer's number, or we can write the customer number as well. So let's skip the number for time being. Here also we can simply scan the barcode of the product. So once we have scanned the barcode of the product, the item is added in the cart. We can scan as much product as we require. Also we can add a product which does not has any barcode on it. So let's search the product. So these are all the list of products which are in the store with this name. So you remember this one, like rice basmati, the second one. We uploaded this product in the first or second video, if I'm not wrong. It was the first or second video for sure. So you can go in like first or second video and you can check that how we uploaded this product at that point. So we'll simply write the quantity of product that is being purchased by the customer. We'll click on OK. So this is what our billing cart looks like. We'll click on checkout button. So these are all the items which are present with us. Also, if you have got a barcode printer, you can simply connect your barcode printer to the Footcar POS application and you can click on receipt option. So once you have clicked on receipt option, the printer will generate a receipt. Also, you can give the instant discount as per your need. So let's execute this bill. So this is how a bill is executed when there is a power cut at your store. So billing never stops.